Tiny Close, very aptly named because there are some quite big stones up here. And we're in our last field of Invicta up on the hill. We've got one tiny small field, 4 hectares of Skyfall still to do in the Vale, which we'll get done hopefully tomorrow. And then that will be the wheat harvest wrapped up for this year, which is great news. To be done by, well, the 18th, but effectively really the 17th, we've got an hour's work in the morning, is quite phenomenal really. Probably the earliest finish to a wheat harvest since about 2003, which was the first year I was farm manager up here at Overbury. So crops are coming off very nicely at the moment, exceptionally dry. We're running at moistures about 12%. So again, no chance of needing to dry that at all, so that makes for a nice, cheap and easy harvest. All the machinery at the moment is hanging together. We've had some issues in the grain store, electrical issues, but that's all fixed and sorted now, and the combine, the trailers, everything's all going along quite well at the moment. So we are right up here on the top of the hill. You can't really see too much, but there's a fantastic moon up there, sort of an orangey, harvesty glow to it. And then we're looking down, that's the combine, and we've sort of got Tewkesbury in the distance down there as well. So we shall get that field of wheat hopefully done tomorrow, and then we'll be back onto a bit of spring barley on the Vale, and that will be Peppino and a bit of KWS Irina. So we shall see how we progress with that. But we've got another hour or so up here to finish. And then that will be the wheat on the top of Breeden Hill, all wrapped up and down in the grain store, which is great.